Welcome back, everybody. I'm still here in Texas with my good friends Paul and Susie. And you know, different states, different regions, different cities, they're all so proud of their fast food and their burgers in particular. Here in Texas, it's all about the Whataburger. That's right. So I had to go down to Whataburger, find out what it's all about. I had the Double Meat Whataburger. It was absolutely delicious. Do you want to see if we can recreate the Double Meat Whataburger?
That'd be great.
Let's do it. When I went to Whataburger today, I wanted to make sure that I got the right kind of bun. So I went ahead and just purchased some Whataburger buns. And they are a little bit bigger than most of the ones that you see on the market here. So that's the Whataburger bun. I say it's a little bit larger than your average hamburger bun. So we're gonna go ahead and prep our buns first and get these ready. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of butter on the crowns and on the heels of each bun like so. I have the griddle top on low. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and turn a few burners off. I just need a little bit of heat, enough to be able to toast my bread. We're gonna throw these down on here and try to get a good toast on these buns. This isn't gonna take long when you have a hot griddle top. So I'm gonna check these things. There we go, almost done already. It's only been a few seconds because I'm running on hot, and I want to say that looks perfect. I mean, that's about as perfect a bun as you're gonna get. That looks like something that's airbrushed straight out of a restaurant. Look at that. So just leave them on there as long as you need to until they get just like that. That's what you want. If you have to, you can press these down just for about 3 to 4 seconds. You can hear that butter right there. There we go. Let's see where we're at. And that's perfect. There we go. Another heel. And the crown looking perfect as well. We have our griddle top on medium low right now, but don't take my word for it. We have this thing scorching hot, so I turned it way down. You might have a small 1-burner 17-inch griddle where you have to have it cranked up, or maybe you're running a 4-burner Pro Series griddle where that thing burns super hot and you got to turn it down. So the key is you want to have that top blazing hot as you can get, so you can sear up a burger. We have a little bit of olive oil here. It could be canola oil, whatever you want. We're doing the Double Meat Whataburger. So we have our 80-20 ground chuck patties here. We go down. These are gonna cook pretty darn quick, by the way, friends. We're gonna season these really simply with salt and pepper. You know, Whataburger doesn't really talk about what their seasoning mixture is, but I had one today and I could definitely taste salt and pepper. Wasn't quite sure if I could taste garlic or not, so feel free to add garlic if you want. Time to go in there for a flip. Bingo, that's what you want. Perfect color on that patty. And Whataburger, of course, uses processed American cheese. That's what you want. That's the flavor you want if you want to recreate it. So put a little bit of the American cheese down there on each patty like so. If you want that cheese to melt super quick and you don't want to burn your patties, you know, just a little bit of water and a basting cover right there go a long way and help you to melt that cheese extra quick. Bingo, that's all you want to do right there. Now we just need to pull these off like so. We're going to double them up since these are going to be double Whataburgers. Time to make our burgers. When I was at Whataburger today, I took some photographs of how they lay their burger out exactly. So they actually start with their crown on the bottom, okay? And if I took the pictures correctly and have this the way I want to, they start with mustard. You know, you can get any combination you want, but straight off the menu, mustard seems to be the first thing they use, followed by a little heaping of what appeared to be roughly chopped iceberg lettuce. So I tried to recreate that in the kitchen. There's our little helping of roughly chopped iceberg lettuce. Then they went with 3 pieces of thinly sliced tomato, like a nice big, kind of a beef steak looking tomato. There we go. So 1, 2, and 3. Going back to my photographs, the pickles wore next, and they used these hamburger dills that were kind of, for lack of a better word, crinkle cut. And of course I found the best made pickles today, made in Texas, of course. Now, I didn't count the pickles, so I might be wrong here, folks. If you work at Whataburger, I apologize. I did not count, but I'm gonna say 3. Could be 4, but let's just go with 3. That's a small looking pickle there. We'll give that one an extra pickle. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Then they went with a small pile of a roughly chopped, what appeared to be white onion. Could have been yellow, but we're gonna go with white today. Alrighty, and our Whataburgers, we're gonna grab them like this. Of course, they're probably using food handling gloves in the restaurant. And I don't have any gloves on me right now, but they put them upside down like so. This is what a Whataburger looks like. I think mine are slightly taller than the one I got at the restaurant. Take a look at that. Number 28, number 28,
I've got 28. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Wow, that's a lot of burger.
Oh, let's cut into one of these Whataburgers. I don't know if I could eat a whole burger this evening. Oh, yeah, right there.
And probably even better because this was done on a Blackstone 36-inch griddle.
That's right, we're in Texas, baby. When we come through the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, boy, we got to stop over here at Paul and Susie's. Look at there, I'm drinking my Whataburger drink right now. But those are delicious. Double Meat Whataburger. And until next time, everybody, this is Todd and Susie and Paul saying praise the Lord and pass the Double Meat Whataburger.